You are not gonna wanna miss this Walmart haul. I found so many great new items. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and I wanted to do something a little bit different for, I guess, my longtime friends and new friends. I'm gonna jump right into this haul, but I will have some chatty things at the end. So I'll share my outfit of the day, things that I like about it, and I'm also gonna share 2 new products, I think every video, that I'm currently actually using and loving. So I guess not new to me, but it'll be new me sharing, but they're products that I long time use and love. And so yes, subscribe if you are new here and like this video so YouTube will press it out to more ladies that it may help. So let's get into my new women's fashion finds from Walmart. Okay, so this will be the unboxing, the sneak peek. Cute loafers, classic. Ooh, can't wait to try this on. It's interesting they send things on hangers now. Ooh, this feels nice. This is so cute. Wow. I love this shade of pink, and usually the pants are short on me, so it'll be interesting to see these. I was thinking I could cuff them if they are. Several accessories. Can't wait to check these out. More pants. They have so many cute springy colors, like a dusty rose and a classic dark denim. Okay, first item I wanted to share with you, these super cute, stylish, feminine denim jeans, 98% cotton from No Boundaries. They come in an extra small to a double XL, and they are under $17. These feel amazing, great quality. They do have a 32-inch inseam. They do have a button and zip fly, belt loops, and the 5-pocket styling. But what I love about them, well, many things, the color, fit, and feel, but they actually have a stretch panel in the back, so you will always have your perfect fit. So if you fluctuate sizes a little bit like I tend to do, or if you have a big lunch or dinner, you are not gonna be constricted by that high cotton content, but it gives structure to the pant and also makes it not see-through, even in this light color. So a really, really wonderful buy. Okay, and next up, this gorgeous cardigan. It seems so much higher end than it is. This is under $23, 94% cotton, and it is beautiful. It comes in several colors, several classic colors, I would say, and from an extra small to a 3XL. So definitely pick one of these up. I love the beautiful scalloping at the end of the cuff and at the bottom. A perfect size button in gold, so it just makes it look a little fancier, but also great to just pair with denim jeans, I think. And then you can button it all the way up and make it a crew neck, but I like it unbuttoned a little. Now I did get this in a small and it is rather fitted. I do like it, so I'm gonna keep it because I would probably wear this with my high-waisted jeans. And then of course you can wear it as a top like this or open as a cardigan, but this is a beautiful design in person, feels amazing. Definitely pick one up under $23. This might be my favorite thing that I've found, and it is these adorable loafers. They have to be duped from something, and I'm not sure what, but they have a faux suede finish that feels real and is soft, but I love the little charms. That is so cute, and I'm a loafers lover, but if you're not and you've been wanting to try them, I think this is a fun way to incorporate them at an affordable price. So I love this classic color. They do have a tie up here that you don't need to tie, but it's kind of more for decoration. Of course, the cute little gold charms on the outside. And they do have a rubber sole with a little heel, so you're not gonna be slip sliding around. That rubber gives you a little bit of comfort. So definitely walkable. And I picked these up in a size 9, which, quick correction, I picked these up in a 9.5, which I have noticed my foot size getting bigger and I liked how these fit. So I don't know if my foot size changed, but I have found that I've been ordering 9.5 and I like that fit better, and these are under $30. Okay, and a classic, a button up sleeveless cardigan look, and I love scooping things up in white when given the option, and this has a large size selection as well, from extra small to double XL. And I love the boat neck top, and I think it covers the bra and kind of armpit area nicely. It's a great length. And then a perk or a downfall, depending on how you look at it, it does not button and unbutton. So you get no gaping. It's just gonna fit smooth and nice, but then it doesn't have a multi-purpose use. So this would just be a top, but I do not find it too see-through. I like the length. And this is on my receipt at $22. So I think a beautiful find, and it also comes in black. And I did pick this up in a size small, and I love how that fits. And next up, some barrel jeans, which are super trendy. And I was like, I think I need to have a pair. And I saw this dark wash, which they also offer it in a lighter wash if you don't need any more dark denim wash. But I wanted to have that trendy look at an affordable price, and these fit the bill. So they do have a 28-inch inseam. So I do think they look good with your ankles showing. So you would want to do like a loafer or a heel or a wedge or something, or a boot that goes underneath it. So probably not tennis shoes, I don't think would look good up with it, but there are a lot of shoe choices you can wear with your barrel denim. And it does have the 5-pocket classic styling, a button fly and zip. It has pockets in the back and belt loops. So I would say very traditional in every sense. There's no distressing, bleaching, or anything. And under $30, I think a great way to add, to try out the trend. And I did want to mention these are a significant denim. Like, they are a 99% cotton, 1% spandex. So I would say more to a medium heavyweight denim. So definitely a quality denim. Next item up are these super cute faux patent leather slingbacks, which I really liked. Now, I did pick these up in a 9.5, which is my new size now. And I will say there is an adjustable strap on the side, so you can kind of get your perfect fit. And I would suggest sizing up whenever you have a significant point toe. It just gives you a little bit more room, but a point toe is one beautiful, elongating, and definitely very modern. So I like this overall look. It has a very short kitten heel, I would say under 2 inches. But another thing I love about these is it does have a foam bed in the sole there and rubber on the bottom. So it's a beautiful high-end looking shoe, but it has all of the comfort and safety. And these are under $30, so a wonderful classic to add to your closet. Okay, and I had to hold myself back on the accessories, which I have 3 to share with you. They have beautiful, beautiful bags. Like, I need any more, but they're so cute, the ones that I found. Starting with this classic black and white is just perfect for the spring and summer. So it is a canvas striped tote, small tote, and then a beautiful beaded detail on the front. So pretty. So you get that, I would say, casual look, but a little special, a little extra. And I just love these classic colors. It does have the handle as well in a rope design, really pretty. And then this long strap you can wear over the shoulder or crossbody. It is not adjustable. There is a zip entrance on the top, so you can secure all your items safely in there. And then the interior is lined, but there's no pockets or anything, but you could certainly fit all of your essentials. And I think this is a really cute classic style that you could pull out every spring and summer. Okay, next up, these gorgeous cropped wide leg in a dusty rose from Sofia Vergara. I love them so much. They come in a ton of sizes and other colors. You have to pick one of these up. They're so cute for the spring and summer. So it does have the cropped folded leg. I don't think I guess you could unseam it and put it down. It just has one stitch at the top and not all the way down, but super cute. They're 98% cotton. They feel amazing. I picked these up in a size 4 and I like how they fit. They have just a kind of hugging feeling, so not too rigid. There is some stretch in them. They have the belt loops, classic 5-pocket styling, but this has a double button, which I think is really cute, but they feel really nice on. This makes me think I wonder if I should size down in the pink, because I love how these ones fit, and the other ones were a little more loose fit style. So I think just a nice muted color. Really, you could wear these all year round, of course. And these are on my receipt at $28. And look at this gorgeous clutch, this straw clutch. I actually have several from years past, but when I saw this multicolor, I was like, yes, I need that. So it has these beautiful kind of toned down colors, but really can go with so much, or even add a pop of color. If you love wearing beige or sand, like linen things in the spring and summer, this is a great way to kind of just add a little pop without being too much. So it does have that straw finish, and it does have a top handle, so you could just carry it or carry it by the handle, but it also has a gold strap. And it is removable. If you don't want that at all, you can add a different rope or something else if you'd like to change that out. And it just has the snap closure, which is pretty secure there. So you don't have, if it falls, you don't have to worry about your stuff falling out. And then it does have a lining and just a little flap pocket there. So really, really cute, and under $18, a really unique and lovely find. Okay, next up, this 100% dress is amazing. So I picked it up in the red, but it also comes in black, and it is in sizes extra small to 4X. And at $36, this is high quality. So it is not lined. It feels like a cotton poplin, so it is crisp, but it is not see-through. It has pockets. I love the thicker straps, so you can wear your normal bra, and then the square neckline is always just classic and I think really beautiful. It does have a stretch panel in the back with a zipper, so I picked this up in a small, and it is tight, but I actually like how it looks. I think it looks nice, and I love this little drop waist. It kind of gives shape in your midsection if you don't have that naturally, which I don't, so I appreciate that. So it's a little more fitted, and then it kind of goes out, which I think is forgiving in that area as well. I love that there's no slits, so really classic, but still a really feminine, beautiful dress. I like the length and everything, so a lovely spring and summertime option. And how cute is this time and true straw tote? They're calling it their tulip toe, and I thought this was so unique with the little detail here, still really rustic. So this is not lined. You would not want to put little items in there, but what I do for these kind of bags, if you would like to wear it, you just get a little pouch or put a smaller purse inside. So the bottom is not as open as the top, so you might not have to worry, but I would use this more on vacation or pool or beach or something like that. Lake would be really cute. You definitely get a lot of room, and it's just a classic, I would say, summertime look, and a lot of room under $23. Oh, and I did want to mention that there is no top closure. So it is all open. You can just throw your towels and things in there, and you are good to go with a cute, stylish summer bag. I absolutely love Walmart. I check in there every month. Sometimes, well, I check in all the time, but I try to bring you a haul every month. So if you love picking up new things, at quality things also, because I do search through the fabric contents and things, and there are a lot of things I pass on because I don't like the blends. But I love finding unique items, quality items, and then their prices are so good from Walmart. So if you love that, make sure you subscribe and maybe share this video with a friend who also likes to find cute, stylish things at a bargain. I wanted to share with you my outfit of the day. I usually always post it at the end of my videos, but I don't really get to tell you about my favorite things in them. So an item I wanted to share are these new jeans I picked up from Ariat, which is a brand I've known about a long time, but I haven't owned jeans from them in a long time. I think since the 90s, the low rise, probably 2000s. But they had these really cute high-rise wide leg that I love. They just hold everything in. They feel amazing. This is their Penelope wide leg. and I just bought them and I was so excited to share. And when I looked today, they were already sold out, but they do have other wide leg options. So definitely give them a try, especially my tall girls, because they do have a 33-inch inseam and they're under $100. So they have really cute pocket styling, which is something important to me, and then just the fit and feel. And one of my other newest finds still available is this super cute kind of bomber style jacket sweater that I picked up from Nordstrom Rack from Free People. I love this indigo color, this deep, beautiful blue. And then it has a rose kind of, what is this? Embroidered on there or stitching. So unique, so pretty. And I picked this up in a size small. The inside is all lined, but it is just a stylish, cozy sweater, and it is 100% cotton. So if you have this, see this in your size, definitely scoop it up. And I just shared this in my latest ASOS haul. So if you haven't seen that, definitely check that out. I found some really cute items, but this was a suede tote that I picked up in this gorgeous chocolate brown, and it is just stunning and it holds a lot of stuff. So it's actually functional, cute, and affordable. Okay, and I wanted to share with you some of my favorite products because I know there's a lot of recommendations out there, and it seems that a lot of YouTubers, influencers, whatever you want to call them, are always showing you like what's new and you must have it. I don't get anything new unless it's better than what I already have. And something I did upgrade last year was my body lotion, and I love this Medex 5.5, and it has retinol and ferulic acid in it, and it's a body cream, and I have been loving this. So instead of a cream just moisturizing, just temporary plumping, which this does as well, it also has a little bit of retinol in it. So over time, using this daily or however often you use it, it's gonna also be improving your skin texture. I make sure to put this on my arms every morning. So I put it on my body at night after my shower, but then I put it on my arms because I am trying to keep my elbows healthy as I age. And I think that this is gonna help. And so this is something I have reordered several times, and I really do like it. It's dermatologist and allergy tested, no added parabens. So check it out. This is something I use and do love. And then with summer approaching, I have been starting to use my Jergens Natural Glow. So if you hate self-tanners, which I do, they're just such a pain. You have to exfoliate, it gets everywhere. How dark is it gonna go? What color is it gonna change to? I stopped doing that years ago, and I just love the Jergens product. It's real soft. It's gradual, it doesn't get all over everything, and these moisturize really nice. So I like all the different kinds, but I would say get medium to deep tone. So even though I'm lighter, but I also am olive undertoned, I still find that this works. And I will start using it on my legs because they get bright white because I'm wearing jeans all winter long. And you just stop using it when you get to the color that you want. So I put this on not every day. Sometimes I'll do like 3 days if I know I'm doing something on the weekend, and then I just stop. It's just like a nice color. But then in the spring and summer when you're wearing shorts or something a lot, you can use them daily. It's really nice. So I have the Firming Daily Moisturizer and the Brighten. I don't see that those do that much. That's just an added benefit, I think. But I really love the natural glow that they give you. And I just put these on after my shower at night, and you let it dry a little bit, and you can put your pajamas on. But the tip I will tell you, so, put it on like lotion, just rub it over wherever you want. I'll even do my neck and chest area when I need a little bit. But you do need to remember to wash your palms. So I just wash with soap and water and then dry it off with a towel and wipe. Don't forget to get in between your fingers, and that's it. It's real easy. I don't have to exfoliate. I don't have, it doesn't change you so much that you get blotchy. So it's just a gradual, nice addition. Okay, hopefully you found this whole video helpful, informative. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what was your favorite items. I loved all of the bags. I loved the jeans. Oh, the dress was amazing as well. And those cute loafers, so many good things. So make sure to check out Walmart. I'll have everything linked down below. But I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.